Ma'am, online classes are better for me because in this lockdown they have helped me to improve my technical skills, like my ability to use new softwares or do some online researches like that. And also in offline classes, students used to think that my friend is sitting beside me. If I am not able to answer the question, they will laugh at me. But in online classes, there are no such situations like that. And also in this pandemic situation, I think online classes are better than offline classes. So that's it for me. Thank you.
Rajdeep?
मैम ऑनलाइन क्लास का बेस्ट पार्ट ये था कि हम ऑनलाइन लेक्चर्स को रिकॉर्ड करके रख सकते हैं, ताकि अगर हमें एक बार हम भूल जाए कि टीचर ने हमें उस दिन क्या पढ़ाया था, तो हम वापस से उसको रिवाइज कर सकते हैं। मतलब उनसे ही पढ़ने में ज़्यादा समझ आता है ना, तो हम वो कर सकते हैं। और ये हमारा बहुत सारा टाइम भी बचाता है। जब हम वैन से स्कूल जाते थे, जब घर आते थे, तो हमारा एटलीस्ट 1 आवर ऐसा वेस्ट था। तो हमारा वो भी टाइम बहुत बच रहा है। और इसमें ये बात अच्छा है कि हमारा 75 अटेंडेंस इजीली मिल जा रहा है, क्योंकि हम कहीं पर भी बैठ के ऑनलाइन क्लास इजीली कर सकते हैं। तो अगर हम आउट ऑफ टाउन है या फिर कहीं पर भी हैं, तो हम इजीली 45% अटेंडेंस कर सकते हैं। तो हमें अटेंडेंस का भी टेंशन नहीं रहता है ज़्यादा। तो ये सब बेस्ट पार्ट है इसका।
We are now doing online classes, and in this pandemic situation, it is a very uh, it is a very efficient way to do the classes, because we know we can't cope with coronavirus until and unless we are at home and maintaining social distance. So doing this online classes, we have changed our lifestyle a little bit, and it has been beneficial to us. If for example we were not prone to this online things that much, like using Google Classroom, Google Meet, and all these things, but now as we are doing it, we are supposed to do that, and so we are into this now, and it has become much easier to deal the online things which we used to run away from when we were doing all the things offline. And even we are getting a lot more time to do assignments. Teachers do give us assignment, and we complete it by time, because we have enough time to do that now. And we had 6 hours of schooling until and unless it was offline, but in offline we are having 3 hours, so we are getting more time to do self study. And it's better from home, we can be a little bit comfortable, and the time we want to, like, we are supposed to wear school uniform but for few hours as compared to school, and we are staying at home. If in a funny way, we used to fight for fans in our classroom, where we used to fight for the bench under, where the air was like sufficient. And now in house we are just sitting under our, each room we have a fan, and we are sitting under that, so it's a good thing at least. And yes, it's very easy to raise our doubts, because in offline classes it seemed like a little difficult thing, because it was a whole class sitting, and we had to raise hands and ask our very silly doubts. But now in online classes, it's easier for us to ask as silly as possible. So it is easy to clear our very primary doubts that used to lead to very conceptual confusions. So they are the benefits of online classes, and I feel like it is much better than offline ones. So technology is helping us a lot, because in the school we had blackboards and white chalks, so we didn't get the concepts that well. But online, teachers can use colors over the screens, and that screen sharing and all is very useful. It's very helpful to us now to understand the concept of those videos and everything that's happening online. Thank you.
Priya?
Ma'am, online classes are helping us in scheduling flexibility for many learners. The primary benefits of online learning involve scheduling flexibility. Now we are getting that opportunity. As in the offline classes, we used to do 7 hours classes, and teacher used to give assignments which we could not able to complete it. But now we can complete it more easily from with the means of communication. We are solving it and submitting in time, and these are some of the benefits I feel. Thank you.
Shreya. Mike.
First thing I would say that online classes have made me believe that studying needs no environment. You can even learn when the mixie is on. You can learn when when your family is fighting. You can easily even adjust yourself to the environment. One thing I would say that is the online class has made me really very much flexible. That I can get up at 8:20 and can get ready within 8:30 for my online classes. And it has always especially in online classes, I have seen that offline classes that sometimes we come across some doubts, and sometimes teachers are also not able to sort that out at the very same spot. But in online classes, you can easily access to Google. You can easily access to several PDFs which are around you. So you can easily clear the doubt as within the time, which was not possible in offline class. And online class is more comfortable in your couch. You can, there is nothing more comfortable than couch on the rather than on the wooden blocks we used to sit. And in online, and there is no distraction. I would say in online classes, no friend, there is no gossip with your friends. There is no tiffin sharing. You having your own lunch or breakfast, and your mother is feeding you sometimes. So that is even better for me. And for me, online classes is still better because you don't have to socialize with people. As lockdown has made me quite unsocial, so for me, online classes are better. And even we are good at sending emails, receiving emails, doing a lot of online things has made me quite modern in this manner. And yeah, if you have good internet connection, then online classes are far better than offline classes. Thank you.
Astha.
Ma'am, as Shreya said that online class that we can into our blankets and like we don't need to wake up in the morning at 7 o'clock. So it's like that. We don't have to wear uniforms and all, but coming to the studies, like it's better in online classes because of the technology, screen sharing, and as Subhoshri said, that teachers can use colors to make us understand, and yes, we face some faces problem like network problems and some issues, other issues, but apart from those, it's fun to study in online classes because like our chemistry class and computer class and maths classes, teachers hotspots books and which yes, it's a bit uncomfortable, but we are very much free and we can express our reactions and it's very comfortable. And about studying and learning, it's really very easy, very easier. And but I think that we are not prepared for our offline exams because of these online classes. We get to learn very less, and I think it's not sufficient for the offline exams. And we all know that we have.
Online classes have changed our lifestyle as we don't have to wake up early as before. And now online classes have online classes from online classes we have experienced many things such as we know about new softwares that are used in these classes and I think online classes are better than offline classes.
मैम ऑनलाइन सब कुछ होने के कारण मैम पीडीएफ मैम को सब कुछ पीडीएफ में मिल जाता है। पहले सैंपल पेपर खरीदना पड़ता था, प्रीवियस ईयर खरीदना पड़ता था। अभी तो सब कुछ पीडीएफ में है, तो मैम बस एक क्लिक में सब कुछ मिल जाता है हम लोग को। तो ये सबसे बड़ा प्रॉफिट मेरे को लगा। कुछ खरीदना नहीं पड़ता है। थोड़ा थोड़ा सा जुगाड़ लगा पाए तो सब कुछ मिल जाएगा। और ये सबसे बड़ा बेनिफिट है।
गुड।
हम ऑनलाइन एग्जाम्स का बहुत मतलब ये जैसे जब पैंडेमिक स्टार्ट हुआ तो ये ऑनलाइन एग्जाम ही एक ऐसा ऑनलाइन मोड ही एक ऐसा ये था जिसमें हम लोग ये कर सकते थे कि ऑफलाइन तो पॉसिबल नहीं था, क्योंकि ये जब स्टार्टिंग में ये वायरस तो बहुत ही मतलब डेंजरस था। अभी जब ये उसको थोड़ा कम हुआ है तो ऑनलाइन मोड ही बहुत अच्छा था, मतलब ये था। फिर ऑनलाइन एग्जाम्स में ऐसे देखते थे कि 15 मिनट्स का जो रीडिंग टाइम रहता था वो तो मेरा 15 मिनट स्लीपिंग टाइम था, और स्लीप कर जाता था उस टाइम। और ये ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का बहुत ये रहता था, जैसे ऑनलाइन क्लास कभी भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, कभी भी लीव कर सकते हैं, ऐसा बहुत कुछ था। और फिर जैसे ऑनलाइन एग्जाम्स में और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में जैसे कभी भी कुछ अगर छूट जाता था तो उसको जैसे प्रीवियस लेक्चर्स को जैसे स्टोर किया जाता था, उसको फिर हम लोग वापस फिर से जाके रिविजिट कर सकते थे। तो बहुत ही हेल्पफुल था ऑनलाइन क्लासेस। बट हाँ, ऑफलाइन क्लासेस का मतलब अलग ही ये रहता है कि उसमें बहुत हेल्प आता है। अगर कोई सीरियस स्टूडेंट होना चाहता है तो ऑफलाइन एग्जाम्स बहुत अच्छा होता है, ऑनलाइन एग्जाम से ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है।
Earlier, we have to travel far distances from our home to school, but now we have to just wake up from our bed and and whatever, and just attend the online classes and so on. And I have to say that because of online classes, we have saved our time more than we have done in the offline classes, and that. Thank you.
Classes, there's a lots of problem during that time as we have a single phone. So later on the network connection is also poor. So it's very difficult to attend an online class during that beginning of the beginning of our season. So later on we will just adjust to it, and we can say that yes, we are comfortable with online classes, but it also has a demerits as online exams are, as ma'am, the yes, as ma'am, offline classes we can connect with teachers directly, and we can clear our doubts at any time at that time, and more cellular activities were held. So those we are missing at that time now, but also it's necessary to have offline exams as it would be more convenient, more comfortable to written our exams in boards as it is declared that the boards are completely offline. So we'll must have offline exams, I will say, but it must have. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.